Homeowners in Metairie know how challenging it can be to keep indoor spaces comfortable while managing energy costs. With hot, humid summers and mild winters, maintaining a stable indoor temperature often requires heavy use of air conditioning. One effective way to improve energy efficiency and lower utility bills is by installing casement windows. These windows are designed to seal tightly, maximize ventilation, and reduce energy loss, making them an excellent choice for homes in the Metairie area. Superior sealing for better energy efficiency. One of the main reasons casement windows help reduce energy bills is their tight seal. Unlike traditional sliding or double-hung windows, casement windows are hinged on the side and swing outward like a door. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a secure seal that limits air leaks. Air leaks around poorly sealed windows can cause conditioned air to escape while letting warm outdoor air enter your home. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain the desired indoor temperature. Casement windows help minimize this issue by providing a compression seal that keeps indoor air inside and outdoor air out. Over time, this improved sealing can significantly reduce the amount of energy needed to cool your home. Improved natural ventilation. Another benefit of casement windows is their ability to capture and direct fresh breezes into your home. Because they open outward, they act almost like a small sail that funnels outside air indoors. For homeowners in Metairie, this feature can be especially valuable during cooler mornings or evenings. Instead of running the air conditioner constantly, you can open your casement windows to allow natural airflow throughout your home. Improved ventilation helps regulate indoor temperatures and reduces reliance on mechanical cooling systems. Better airflow also improves indoor comfort by reducing humidity and stale air, common concerns in the Gulf Coast climate. Reduced strain on HVAC systems. When your windows allow air leakage, your HVAC system has to run longer cycles to maintain indoor comfort. Over time, this added workload increases both energy consumption and wear on your equipment. Casement windows help solve this problem by creating a more stable indoor environment. Because they seal tightly and limit drafts, your cooling system doesn't need to run as frequently. The result is not only lower energy bills but also less strain on your HVAC system, which may extend its lifespan and reduce maintenance costs. For many homeowners, this long-term efficiency makes window replacement a worthwhile investment. Compatibility with energy-efficient glass options. Casement windows can also be paired with modern energy-efficient glass technologies, which further improve insulation. Many homeowners choose double-pane or low emissivity, low-E, glass when installing new windows. These glass options help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. During hot Metairie summers, energy-efficient glass reflects a portion of the sun's heat away from your home, keeping interiors cooler. At the same time, it helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures so your cooling system doesn't have to work overtime. When combined with the tight seal of casement frames, energy-efficient glass creates a powerful barrier against outdoor heat. Enhanced comfort throughout the home. Lower energy bills are only one advantage of installing casement windows. Homeowners often notice improved comfort and more consistent temperatures throughout their homes. Rooms that once felt drafty or overly warm can become more comfortable thanks to better insulation and ventilation. In addition, casement windows typically have larger unobstructed glass areas, allowing more natural light to enter. This brightens interior spaces and may even reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. A smart upgrade for Metairie homes. For homeowners looking to cut energy costs and improve indoor comfort, casement windows offer a practical solution. Their tight seals reduce air leakage, their design promotes natural ventilation, and their compatibility with modern glass technologies enhances insulation. In a climate like Metairie's, where air conditioning often runs for much of the year, even small improvements in energy efficiency can lead to noticeable savings. By upgrading to casement windows, homeowners can enjoy a more comfortable living environment while lowering their monthly energy bills, making it a smart investment for both comfort and long-term value.